I'm in love with this baby. Yes, I am in love with this baby. She's so cute. She is so adorable. Adorable. Look at those feet. Look at those feet. So cute. Look at those pants. She's so cute. So cute. Yes, so cute. She is so adorable, you guys. I like this baby. Yes, I like this baby. Oh, look at that. I put little tiny veins by the eyelids. She's so adorable. I like because her body, she can move the arms all the way to the back. Like it has the disc that makes the hands go like this. Oh, a baby. Yes, this baby is so cute. Hmm. Yes. Her body needs to be filled. That's why it looks like this. I still gotta put on her like a few more layers of skin tone. Yeah, but pretty much it's done. Yeah. I hope you like it, my friend. Yes, I hope you like her as much as I do. She's so cute. So cute. And she's gonna wear 3 months baby clothes. That's awesome. Yeah, I cannot wait to finish this baby. I tried getting another bodysuit, but this is the one that goes with her. And if I got the one that is gathered, then she will be smaller, and she will maybe not fit on 3 months clothing. So this is the perfect size for her, which I like this body. This body is nice. I like it because this over here. But yeah, that's the baby Tracy. Yes, Tracy, the baby Tracy. Baby Tracy. Oh, look at that face. Let me show you the back of the head. Yes, she's so cute. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.